Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use filters for Instagram post. So first of all you need to open your app, then tap here the plus icon and choose the picture. So I'm just going to choose this. So it's real. Okay, I'm just going to tap the post and choose this one. So make sure that you tap on the post button and tap the next button right top corner. So now you can see here the filters, so this one. So simply tap here, then you'll get here a lot of filters, so you have to choose according to your picture quality, picture style, theme. So this is modeling, so you can choose so different angle. So you don't need to edit manually, like it's a pre default. So once you've done anything, then you can increase and decrease the intensity. So this way you can use filter.